what's this?
2.
Okay. 1, 2. My sister's turn. So, my sister is going to spin the wheel.
She's just gonna do 2.
And she got 2.
I'm curious. I guess that's a lot.
So, my sister might get
I
slapped.
couldn't get 5 anyway like this.
No.
And it is so cool.
Oh,
wait, erase it, go.
I'm just gonna do it right now.
Wynter, go. Go, Wynter. Go.
No.
Here, I'll do it for you. We'll skip my sister and move on to my dad. If he wants to
Okay,
play.
let's move on with Dad.
I don't want to do it.
Please, just one turn.
1 turn.
Take your glasses off.
Why?
You can put them back on. I promise.
So, my dad is going to go.
1, 2.
You didn't get slapped. Good.
Good.
And now it's passing on to me, so my dad is going to record this time.
Spin the wheel, Dad.
What number?
3.
3. 1, 2.
You barely got your nose.
I want in there.
So I just got slapped, guys. And
I want
yes,
it in
it's
there.
pretty
I want it in
silly.
there. Daddy, I want it in there.
So
You do.
my dad
Yeah.
is gonna hand back the recording.
I want it in there.
And now it's my sister's turn.
I want it in there.
How you gonna get in there?
And now
Slap my
we're
nose.
Oh,
doing the wheel.
here, shape it. Because it's like,
So
there's plenty on there.
my dad is shaping the
Daddy,
whipped cream.
Put
No.
that in there
And all
then
that
we'll put it in
stuff.
here.
No, that's not how that works.
So
Here, it says 3.
everybody tries to eat
Okay,
this.
see.
As you can tell, there's spots everywhere of
1.
spoon marks, and you can tell because this
How about
is lines. There's
How about
lines. And now it is
about
my
October?
dad's turn.
October.
And now it's my dad's turn.
I just did it.
Yeah, but
Me, you, October.
just
me,
one video.
You, October,
I just
me,
did it.
you, October.
Just
me.
one video. So,
Just 3. 1.
we love to be on YouTube with you guys, and we hope we have
You
subscribers.
get it again.
My dad did 3 times, and it's really fun to do this. So, in the morning, I'll do another video after I do all my fun stuff, and my dad gets home from work. And I
This is
cannot
too
tell you
scary,
where he
Daddy.
works
Daddy, I'm just
because
too
you
scary.
might sneak to
Sorry,
time.
it's October's turn.
Because you might sneak into his work. So,
You
my dad is
and
going to
October.
record this time.
Dad, Wynter, spin the wheel. Oh, that's it. Oh!
You try that.
Wasn't that cool?
So my sister is pretty silly, but this is all the whipped cream we have, even though we just bought it. My dad and my sister keeps eating it. Hurry up, Wynter.
I can't turn it because I just.
Please turn it off, Flash. It's hurting my eyes.
No, there is no
It's
flash on this thing.
Two.
I spin it and got to 2 times. You're covering the camera.
No, I'm not. I'm covering the light. See?
Okay, so I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do it 2 times. 1, 2.
I can do it. I want to.
So, the light is back on,
I want to.
and do you want, subscribe below if you want the
It would go
light.
in my eyes. Daddy.
And
I need goggles on.
If you don't,
Goggles?
Yes, I do. It would get in my eyes.
subscribe
You want
below
goggles?
so we know
yesterday
that if we need to turn the flash off because I can just cover it up. So,
Jake and Mama and you
have a fun time at this video.
October.
And
yeah, for the swimming pool. Yeah.
Be
I need to go.
and enjoy
I don't know
this
where they're at,
stuff so we can play this game.
I can't.
Enjoy
play.
the
I
second
feel like
video.
it's
So it's so now it's just me and my dad. So my dad is going to record. I'm going to record my dad. Wynter spins the wheel real fast.
I'm not flying, Daddy. Daddy, I'm not flying.
Oh,
So
no.
I'm just going to block
I'm
the
not flying.
light right now. So
Let me spin.
I can record my dad.
Says 4.
Yeah, you'll get slapped this time.
So
1,
I can record him.
2, 3, 4.
Good job, Dad.
Yo.
I didn't get high face.
This time I want to get 2 because I want to do it like you. Daddy, can you do it?
Just do it slow. I just did 2.
Can you please do it slow? It's a stick on chin. Daddy, I'm too scary.
It's too scary. That's okay.
So my dad is going to record me this time.
Just do her too.
Daddy, I want to record you guys.
Dad,
Why are you
spin the
going
wheel.
sideways, silly?
I can't.
It makes it
Look.
better with you.
Let's do that.
Yeah, but whatever. 4.
Okay.
Oh.
I knew that was going to happen.
He looks like a minion from the Minion movie.
We need to say bye so we can put it up. Get ready for bed. Okay?
Thank you for coming to our video. Subscribe below so we can have subscribers and have a good day or night.
He looks like in your mouth is blue.
So, bye.
Say bye, Wynter.
Bye.